1. This is Lab 2 Vitals Monitoring by Team 8 with Juan, Angie, Theo, and David. Some background. So this device is a heart rate monitor and respiratory rate monitor, and this can be used for many different applications such as baby or elderly monitoring, working out monitoring, and disease detection. So our goal is to create a heart rate monitor and a respiratory rate monitor that fits in a shirt or bra to allow for maximum comfort.
Some of the materials that you will need to create this device is a microprocessing board. In this case, we use the Firebeetle board with Bluetooth-enabled technology. You also need a prototype board with some headers to attach it to your Firebeetle. You'll need a heart rate monitor device. So here we're using the AD8232 sensor. You'll need something to measure the breathing rate. So here we're using a force-sensitive resistor for that. And then you'll need a battery that's rechargeable so that you can wear your device externally. Some of the tools that you need to assemble the device are athletic tape, a soldering iron, solder, wires, and wiring tool, as well as something to encase your device with, something like an elastic strap, a bra, or a shirt. Here are the iterations of our device. On the left side, you can see our wires are covered in insulation, and then they're touching the skin, so there's a tight connection so that there's a minimized noise. The next image, you can see that our wires are housed in a little pouch so that nothing is touching the user's skin. And then the following two images are the same thing, where there are no wires touching the skin. Any wires on the skin are insulated, and all the sensors are housed in something stable, like a 3D printed case or athletic tape. And so here we have comfort, safety, and stability. Thought it was only the device?
No. So here we have the visual data and other options. We wanted to give users an understandable design to improve interaction with the device. We created a live stream of heart and lung vitals with clear markings of each section. Right here we can see on the right-hand side the feedback for the respiratory and the heartbeat. We also added other options, other modes such as fitness, stress, meditation, and our preference lie detector. Another thing that we added in this GUI was the exit mode, that you can exit from each mode so you don't have to close the whole program. Fitness mode. Fitness mode takes care of your heartbeat. So whenever it's running, it takes the average and it will give you the heart rate that you have. Stress mode, same thing, but this one decides either if you're stressed or not, depending on your heartbeat. And so on. This is similar for other modes, meditation and lie detector. In the meditation mode, similar messages such as stress or non-stress are displayed. And in the lie detection mode, the user is alert whether they are lying. This data is calculated and determined by the Arduino device by comparing live measured heart rates to the user's baseline. Conclusions are based in the various modes.
Our device already has basic functionality, a basic GUI and graphs. It has wireless communication and displays the heart rate. But the parts we had difficulty with were the level of fitness, live data stream, breathing rate, and filtering the signals. In the future, I'd like to add sensors like a temperature sensor, add user details like height, weight, and age, and improve the graphs and the mode output.
Thank you.